Good morning, grade nines. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I know I did, although it was busy. It was my daughter's birthday. She turned 4 yesterday, so I was busy setting up and having a few kids over and having a COVID-style birthday party, but we still managed to pop up the bouncy castle and have a good time and enjoy some cake and pizza. And today I walk into the office. It's International Teachers Day. Got a nice cup of Tim Hortons coffee I'm going to enjoy. So, I'd like to say welcome to all of our new students that came today. I see that there are a number of new students that have been added into the grade 9 English class. That's great. I don't know if everyone that is supposed to be here is here yet, so we'll just take it easy for today. For those of you that were here on Friday and did the English quiz, thank you very much. I'm going to go over how you can submit that to me for this one. Just to go over a couple things for today. There's for those of you that were in the class on Friday and watched the videos and did the work, you have nothing new today. Tomorrow, however, be prepared. There will be an opinion paragraph that you're going to have to write for tomorrow, but for today, you can finish up, read through your answers, make sure everything's good, and look for some new work for tomorrow. I don't want anyone to get too far behind, so I don't want to start piling the work on and have the people that are going to be joining the class today and tomorrow to get too far behind. So, for those of you that are new today, you can kind of scroll through this like you would Facebook. I know Facebook's for us old people now, and everyone uses it. All you young kids use something different, but it kind of works the same way Facebook works, in that you can like posts and you can add a comment if you have a question. It's a pretty good virtual tool here that we're going to be using daily in our virtual education. So first off, this is a video I had made during emergency remote learning last March, I think, or May or April, sometime in that time. This is just a video I thought I'd share with you all from my YouTube channel, which all these videos are linked to, so if you need to go back and rewatch it, my YouTube channel is Mr. Perrin the Teacher, and there's like a little apple for the icon there. So you can watch this video. It's going to show you how to save and share a file in Office 365. That's one way of uploading some work to me. Here is another video I made for you all on how to download and upload your assignments to me and the options for completing these assignments. And this is what I was talking about, the welcome materials, and this is the first video I made for you all, so you can watch that if you're new to the class today when you scroll down your feed in Edsby here. It's going to go through the course syllabus, a little bit of background on the course, what we're going to be doing, some of the expectations. So this is the course syllabus that I went through in the first video, and then there's some work here for you to do. There's some definitions I would like you to define and give an example for me, and there's this English quiz. And it's not necessarily a quiz, it's just something fun for you to do, those first day activities that you get to do. It's just to get you writing, and for me to see where you're at in terms of your writing and punctuation, sentence structure, and so forth. And then there is a little thing at the bottom here for instructions, so you can submit that to me a couple different ways. You can share it with me through through Office 365 if you watch that video on how to share a document, or you can, if you're saving it on your home computer, you can, in the Edsby messages, just pop my name up, send me a message, and you can attach it with those two little papers there, and you pick it, open, it's going to share it right in that chat window, only I'm going to see it. Or you can also share from your cloud location, which is through the Office 365. Anytime you log into the Office 365 online, all of your stuff gets saved to like your own unique kind of folder online. You're not storing anything on your device or your computer, and it's going to share it from your email to my email right here. This is my email. I'm also going to put out a survey on Edsby. I'm going to try that. There's like a survey tool. I just want to see who has what kind of technology at home, who has a computer, and if you're going to be using Office 365 and how comfortable you are with using Teams. So enjoy the morning. For those of you that were here Friday, you got a bit of a break today, but like I said, tomorrow we're going to be starting fresh. If you have any questions, I'm going to be available till 11:10 this morning, so have fun with it. Yeah, nothing else. Enjoy your Monday.